Push your tongue against the roof of your mouth. That little move short-circuits the sneeze reflex, saving you from blasting germs all over the place. Fair warning though, you'll look like you're swallowing a huge invisible bug. But hey, no spray, no problem. Try it the next time a sneeze sneaks up on you. Pinch. Right here, bridge of the nose. Give it a good squeeze. That pinch cuts the line your brain just dialed to start a sneeze. Hold it tight and the pressure wave that was about to launch, gone. You're literally hanging up the phone on your brain's command to explode. And boom, no boom. The room stays safe from your loud, wet germs. A sneeze stall out, that tickle just sits there taunting you. Here's the rescue move. Look at bright light, any blazing one. The sun? It's the heavyweight champ. One glance and that star straight up bullies your nose into exploding. Ah, sweet relief.